Hello and welcome to our Java tutorial. So today we are going to talk about enum. So ano ang enum? Enum, or short for enumerations, represent a special data type in Java that allows a variable to have a predefined set of constant values. So an example of this would be ito, yung mga days of a week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then, nagay natin ang ano natin dito, ang system.out lines para sa days. So, pwede natin ito i-code any type of way itong enumerations. I will show you the dates first. And then sa sizes natin, yan. So, as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, let's change this to mga sizes. So, ito, like medium, large at extra large. And now let's change this to ito yung mga sizes natin. So pwede ka mag-code. You can code anything with enumeration. Limitless naman ito. And then it will show our sizes naman. So simple ang code natin. Ang bilis lang naman ito. Okay, so enumeration muna, size, and then select mo lang yung size mo dito sa sa ibabaw ng ng enumeration. And then gagawin mo yung class main. And then public static void as usual. And yung system.out.println natin. And then nilagay mo lang yung size natin. For example, small and medium. Hindi ko na nasali yung extra large at large. And so, if gumana ito, makikita natin ang small at medium. And that is it.